So there's this restaurant that we wanted to take you guys to since a long time while we were in Goa, but we just didn't get the opportunity. But yes, today we are going to do that. We've eaten here a couple of years ago. The food was great. Besides that, we are on this group called the Love of Goa, and many of you guys have rated this restaurant in the top 10 as well. So that's the reason why we are here. Good morning, guys. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin.
And I'm Adrian.
And we have already entered Relish. So Adrian, let's find a good table for ourselves. So let me just show you around while I'm here. So this is what the entrance looks like behind me. This is the table that we have chosen. So Adrian is looking at the menu, and while she's doing that, let me show you around. So just look at this bar here, gorgeous bar. And what I love about this place is the greenery. It is surrounded by some beautiful plants, and not just that, I can see some lovely natural light that is coming in the restaurant. So if you see this side, there's another section here where you can sit. And if you see the arrangement that they have made, the seating arrangement, it is quite unique. And here is this beautiful board. You can come here and click your selfie. Wow, such a cool environment. This is such a soothing place, something that you definitely want early in the morning. And the reason why it is so beautiful is obviously because of the greenery, and the staff here are doing a fabulous job. Just look at the way they have maintained the place. Even this side here, there are a lot of tables, and what's good is the rustic look of the place. So once you're here, you know that you are somewhere close to the beach. You will see a lot of these shells even on a table. We saw that, I'll show you. But what a beautiful place. Just look at this one. In case if you're a family, you need some privacy, this is a perfect table, right? So that's not it, there's more to it. There are more tables on this side also. So there's a huge seating that side. The staff are there, they are having a meeting, so let's not go there and disturb them. But what a cool place this is. That's what it looks like from outside. I have stepped out just to show you exactly where I am. So you see the road down there. If you take a left, that goes towards Baga, and the right goes towards Kalangut. And just at the corner is this restaurant, Baga Deck. This place is in here. Even though it's in Kalangut, it's been secluded since so many years, and many of you guys who have visited this place have absolutely loved it. Even I am one of them, but I've never come here for breakfast. At the entrance here, they have this board that they have put for breakfast. So they have English Goan breakfast, eggs Benedict, lot of options here. We will go through the menu and let's see what they have. Usually in our videos we don't show the washrooms, very rarely we do that. But since you guys have brought up this topic lately, I thought of showing you the washroom. Let's get a sneak peek from here. Not going in there, but I've seen it myself. It's quite clean, and that's not it. They also have a separate section, sorry, for men and women. And besides that, a lovely mirror, huge mirror here behind, in case if you want to groom yourself while you're on vacation. And right, the wash basin here, everything is well maintained, very clean. Also a separate box here which is there for tissues. So yes, there's a mirror here as well. Right, so as you can see, even the washroom and everything else is maintained really well. Okay, let's go through the menu. Breakfast menu here. So they have a different menu for the food, because you know they have multiple options, and I've asked for the food menu also. So yes, thank you. So this is the food menu. This is an entire booklet. So let's get to that later. First, let's have a look at the breakfast menu. They have multiple options, as you can see. So they have Punjabi breakfast, continental breakfast, Goan. I can see that they have a mix of, you know, almost everything. So they have Indian, they have continental, even local. Besides that, they have multiple omelette options here. Right, so they have here as well. If you see here, there's a blend of Indian and European. And what's this? On toast toasty. So yes, mushroom poached egg, some really good options, old time favorites. We are interested in this one. Adrian especially loves eggs Benedict, so yes, we're going to go for that, and I'll choose something else from here. This is a surprise, puri bhaji. I wasn't expecting that. Aloo paratha also, that's great. Sweet and savory crepes, right? Sandwiches, okay, great. They have sandwiches as well. Tuna, corn, classic BLT, coffee. I need that, especially because we've woken up early in the morning. I'm sure you can hear that in our voice. And yes, some more options. Tea, English breakfast. Those of you who are watching from the UK who love tea, there are many options here as well. Iced tea on a hot day would be great. Beverages, Diet Coke, okay, alright. And yes, you can follow them on these handles. So as I mentioned earlier, just look at the thickness of the menu. You will be completely shocked to see how much variety they have in terms of the food. We are not going to cover the food today, but I will just quickly take you guys through what you can expect here. You can obviously get this menu online, but yes, I can see Thai, I can see Indian, I can see European, even Arabic. They literally have everything, and they've also mentioned the level of spiciness. So those of you who are visiting here from other countries in India, it's a bit difficult to handle the level of spiciness. I can totally understand that. So yes, it's a good thing they have mentioned this. Wow, lal mas, this is Rajasthani Kashmiri Rogan Josh. That's so good. So many of these items we've had this in Pune, but yeah, nice to see that here. Amazing. So yes, let's go through this quickly. Kebabs, Eurasian steaks. Yes, we had eaten the steak, if I remember, a couple of years ago, and I remember the food was really good. Even the drinks were very nice. That's the reason why I have decided to come here. Couldn't have asked for a better setting this morning. Beautiful fragrance of the incense around, and look at both the items here, both the dishes here, how beautifully it is presented. So this is the mushroom delight, and this one here is the eggs Benedict. And Adrian, let me start with this. So I've already cut this piece here and kept, because it's a bit of takes a bit of an effort, yes, but once you cut it, yeah, that's how I got it. So if you see here, the poached egg, all the yolk has come off the poached egg, and let's go for this now. So as you go through the bite, the flavors that you're getting in from the yolk and the bacon, it's really very good. And besides this is dressed with some microgreens here. So this is edible. It is a radish microgreen that we have here. But what I love about this bacon is that it is so flavorful. The flavors are great, and you don't have to put in a lot of effort to go through the bite. And while we speak, we also have some coffee that is coming in, and this sauce here is the Hollandaise sauce. So let's dip in a little bit of that as well, so that I can give you a review of the sauce. This is perfect. I can say that the flavors are intense, and the flavors are absolutely amazing. So this one here has been a very good start. Okay, let's leave this aside, and now let's go for the mushroom delight. So as you can see here, the mushrooms here are dressed with a lot of feta cheese, and then there are onions in there as well. For someone who loves cheese, this would be great, because we love all kinds of cheese obviously, and feta cheese here with the mushrooms and the onion in there is such a good combination. This also. Let me remove this one. What's the right? Thank you. You took it? This, without this, is absolutely incomplete, and cappuccino has to be my favorite way of having the coffee. So we've mixed the sugar in there, 2 packets, and the taste is too good. I know that because I tried it. The coffee is perfect, the milk, the cream, the froth, everything is so good about the coffee. In fact, there were some customers behind us who just left and they complimented the coffee as well. So guys, if you're looking for a lovely cup of coffee along with some great breakfast, I highly recommend this place to you. This was so good, I just couldn't leave it hanging there. I've got another bite and now I've dipped it generously in the hollandaise sauce. Right. I'm sorry, it has to be a bit messy because the yolk that's flowing in there from the eggs, that is great. Besides that, again, as I mentioned, hollandaise sauce is perfect. And guys, I am so impressed with the bacon. I just love the bacon. Just love it. If you see, there's meat, fat, everything in there, and you can say that this is fresh. The flavors are great, and because I loved it so much, I have to take another bite. Right. You have a choice of bread here. We've actually opted for the poi. So this one is very well known in Goa. For those of you who've been to Goa, or if you know information about the bread in Goa, poi is very well known, right? So let me just show you what it looks like. This outside part here is made from wheat husk, right? And besides that, they have an option not just to have this with the poi, they also have an option to have this with a brown bread or a multi-grain bread. Okay, but you need to be specific, you need to inform them. The rates are the same. And at around 8:30 in the morning, if you are looking for good breakfast, this place is absolutely fantastic. It's a great choice for breakfast. I've had the dinner here and I loved it, but guys, the breakfast is nothing short of fantastic. That's what I can say, right? So we've tasted this. I'm going to have more of this obviously, but because you guys have been following us in such a long time and we just don't want to show you a couple of items, right? So we have some more food coming in. So this is going to be packed. Obviously we cannot have so much, it's a lot, but right now what we are going to do is we are going to try some Indian items as well. So stay tuned and keep watching till the end. So coming back to the mushroom delight, what I personally felt is that the cheese here could have been crumbled. So I've given them my feedback and I'm glad they have taken my feedback very positively. So the next time you are here, you're going to see this crumbled, because I personally felt that because these are blocks which are spread, but because it's not crumbled, it's not spread evenly. So I felt that the cheese is overpowering everything else that is there here. And this here is the crepe. So those of you who know crepe, the batter is made from milk, and then there's flour. There are a lot of other things in that as well. There's eggs as well. So we've got a good base of the crepe, and besides that, this is the wilted spinach. Wilted basically means this one, it's cooked, blanched and cooled down. So yeah, this is the wilted spinach, and yes, this is the caramelized onion that you have. Let's go for this. The good thing is, every time you take a bite and you go through the bite, you will relish each and every bite, and that is what the name of the place is, Relish. Perfect name, guys. So far it has been a very good experience, excellent experience. I know why now some people walked in here for breakfast. I personally myself did not know that this is a good breakfast place. We've come here for dinner. In fact, there's a good dining section there. And a while ago, I bumped into John, who is the owner of Relish. So he's going to take us around there. And after this, coming up are some Indian items. So we are going to go for the aloo paratha, we are going to go for the puri bhaji. Since we are here, why not try that as well? For some of you who are from India, you know, you don't want to stay away from Indian food. So yes, I understand that. That's the reason why we're going to try that. And yes, after that, let's go to the dining section. Camera woman finally gets the food. In all our videos, I feel really sorry for Adrian because she is always shooting the videos and she is the star behind the scenes, guys. So yes, if you agree with that, I would request you to leave a thumbs up. Adrian had the post text, she loved it, and all I can hear is saying at each and every bite. Right, and she tried the coffee as well. Adrian, are we coming back here?
I'm definitely coming back in.
We are definitely coming back here, and the good thing is that we don't stay far away from here. So we are going to come to this place again. We'll probably visit again for dinner. So it's time to switch roles. While the camera woman eats, let me show you this thing that caught my attention. So this is the salt and the pepper. Look at the way how they've designed it like a mortar and a pestle. And look at this table. So this is what I was talking about, the shells here. In fact, let me take you here. So yes, when you're sitting here and having your breakfast, you know you have visited a beach town. Look at how creative this stuff is, guys. This is too good. So simple, yet so elegant. Who do we have here? I just bumped into John. He's the owner. So John, I want to say that the food is excellent. The eggs Benedict, the mushroom delight was perfect.
Okay.
Thank you so much for that. I've also ordered for some Indian items like the puri and aloo paratha. So I'm very curious to try that, and just wanted to tell you that the food is great.
Thank you so much, Gavin, and thank you so much for giving us an opportunity to serve you
Absolutely.
and the compliments of the season.
Compliments of the season to you
yeah.
as well. Sorry, I got so
So-
lost in the food. I forgot to wish you.
No. Glad that that you tasted some of our best offerings that we have.
Right.
Sorry, I couldn't meet you early in the morning because we were having a morning
Huddle,
huddle.
yeah. I couldn't
Yeah,
go
which
there.
we do religiously every single day to see how the previous day has gone by and how we go
That's
the
nice.
next day. Thank you so much.
That's great. Thank you.
and Indian, I think you're going to love that too.
Yeah, I can see the portions are generous. Just a second, let me show our viewers. So yeah, that's where it is. We will get back to that in some time. Adrian has already started. But yeah, John, I couldn't go over to that side. Let us show the viewers because your huddle was happening there. So just a request, once I'm done with the food, I'm curious to see what's that side.
Perfect, Gavin. What I will do is I'll take you a walk around and I will also tell you what is that section for and how it decks up during the evening.
I
Thank you
see
so
you
much,
have
and I
those
would like
lights.
you to have your breakfast before
Yes,
it gets cold.
yes,
Thank
yes.
you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you
Thank
so much.
My eyes popped up looking at the quantity. We've gone for the puri bhaji. As I said earlier, some of you can't stay away from Indian food, and maybe some of you international travelers are here visiting India and you're curious to try Indian food. So let me explain what this is. So now those of you who are watching from countries like the UK, US, I know we have a lot of viewers from Australia, Canada also. Let me explain what this is. So this is called a puri. Tastes great when it's piping hot. It's fluffy. It's deep fried in oil, and this is the bhaji. So the bhaji is basically made from peas, and then there are potatoes, lovely spices in there, and this gravy is formed because the onions are fried, and I see that there are even curry leaves. So you're going to get very, very typical Indian sort of flavors. And what I like is that they have even given this onion that is spiced up. I'm amazed by the quantity that you get here. It's really very pleasing to see that the quantity is great. I'm sure you have one of this, you will be done for the day. Beautiful flavors, not at all very spicy, bit spicy, you need that in Indian food. And now let's taste this. Got spiciness, very tangy. And what's this? I think that is the radish. I'm not sure, but it has absorbed all the great flavors. It is pickled. And coming back to the bhaji, what I loved is the potatoes are cooked really well. Small pieces of potatoes cooked well. Even the peas taste great. What I like is, the flavors are very home cooked sort of flavors, so you're going to get that as well. This as well has been great. I'm feeling full now because I've already eaten so much, but I have to show you this one as well. When you talk about breakfast, Indian breakfast, this is something that is so close to my heart. I cannot stay away from aloo paratha for a long time. Those of you who've been following us from Pune will know that really well. And look at the number of slices that are there in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are around 10 slices with some nice mango pickle. And these are the curds. And guys, you don't need a fork and spoon for this one. Just go like this, scoop it. I'm impressed with the Indian food also. Great potatoes, lovely spices. The paratha itself is not chewy, very soft, cooked really well. As you can see here, it's really fried really well on the pan. And besides that, curd is fresh. It's not at all watery. Let's try the pickle. Pickle is great as well. I am surprised. Indian food here is great also. And look what we have here. Orange juice and watermelon juice. Just look at the way it is presented. And I need to mix this well because everything is settled. Now you can see the change in color. It looked gorgeous, didn't it? Just the way how it changed color. So this is the watermelon juice and this here orange juice. Let's go for this. So this is fresh. There are no additives. There's no sugar as well that is added. Fresh juice. Simple, straightforward. Tastes great. Now let's go for the oranges. The orange juice. What's good is it's tangy obviously because it's orange, but they have used some really nice orange. It's sweet. It's not at all very, very sour. Very, very good ride so far. And as I keep tasting, I am feeling full already. But I'm eager to meet up with John because Adrian, if you can show our viewers there, they have this huge section and they have these lovely lamps. So we're going to go there. John is going to switch on the lights. So once you're here for dinner, there's a very good setting there because that is a non-smoking area. We're going to go there. And Adrian, while we are here, let me just take you to show you something. If you are here in India and if you want to help some underprivileged kids, this is a group. They are the ones who take care of underprivileged kids. And there's a banner there. So brochure. Let me get that. Just wait, Adrian. Just stay there. Yeah, so you can help these guys. All details are there in this brochure. And besides that, their contact details are here. There are some soaps here and I wanted to talk about that. So these soaps here are made by a local girl, Goan, okay, and she has made this from ingredients that are sourced locally. So everything is organic and she sells this and that's how she supports her village as well. So guys, in case if you are here, please do patronize. Besides that, look at these cool coasters. So these are some lovely coasters that are in there. What's this? That's an octopus. So look at the art that's there on this. So it's some really cool stuff. I love this one. really nice coasters, so you can get some of these. And there's a huge pumpkin here, nice showpiece that you can display. Wow, so much of stuff is there in here. Many octopus here as well. And we've seen some really cool things to store the salt and the pepper. Obviously, you know which one is salt and pepper here. Right, guys? This has been such a fun experience. Our morning has been great, and I love nature, as you know. Beautiful setting and sunlight, beautiful sunlight, natural light coming in. Now, let's go and have a word with John.
Breakfast
Good
again.
to meet you too.
Yeah, hope you enjoyed your breakfast.
Yes,
yeah.
I'm full. I don't think I'll be having lunch because this was breakfast and brunch for me.
Brunch, yeah.
Yes.
So like we cut off earlier, like
Right.
I wanted you to highlight my next section.
Mhm.
To give you a gist, ours is an 80 cover 80 cover restaurant.
Okay.
And the most important part is we have a separate non-smoking area,
Okay.
which is primarily this.
Nice.
And we set it up for the evening, and where the people who love to sit aloof and have privacy, as well as it's a non-smoking,
Non-smoking.
and it's beautifully
Right.
done up, and it
Absolutely
looks stunning at night. You need to come in the evening to experience
Yeah,
this.
I definitely agree, and I love these lights and the beautiful, I don't know what those are, shells?
Yeah, those are shells.
Shells, yeah, looks gorgeous.
Yeah.
And yes, so basically,
So
sorry.
this is not set up at the moment. So like in the evening is when we place the quid set, the candlelight,
Right.
as well as the tissue, and it looks really
Looks
beautiful.
good, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
guys, yeah, thank you so much for your time, John. It was, I mean, it's a Monday morning, and surprisingly, there were a lot of customers as well.
Thankful
so that
to
is,
you. I think it was like Gavin walking in and
Maybe.
his followers walking along. So I wouldn't say that.
Yeah.
But wishing you a good journey in Goa as well.
Thank you so
Because you are touching the Goa chapters.
Yes.
And I wish you all the success so that you do it more mindfully
Thank you
and
so much.
capture something good about
Thank
Goa.
you so much. We need that.
Yeah.
And guys, I hope you enjoyed the entire food tour. Thank you so much again, John. And until the next video, take care, stay safe, and stay positive.
Happy New Year 2025 to all of you.
Yes, Happy New Year.
Thank you.